One morning, a group of fishermen, including Simon Peter, had spent the whole night on the lake trying to catch fish. Despite their hard work, they caught nothing. Tired and disappointed, Simon Peter and the other fishermen began cleaning their nets and preparing to go home. At that moment, Jesus Christ came to the shore. He stepped into Simon Peter's boat and asked him to push a little away from the land. Sitting in the boat, Jesus taught the crowd of people who had gathered. Simon Peter listened while managing the boat, still thinking about the long, unsuccessful night. After finishing his teaching, Jesus turned to Simon Peter and said, "Go out into the deep water and let down your nets for a catch." Simon Peter, feeling tired, replied honestly, "Master, we have worked hard all night and haven't caught anything." But then, showing trust, he added, "Yet because you say so, I will let down the nets." When Simon Peter and the other fishermen followed Jesus' words, something amazing happened. As soon as they dropped their nets into the water, they caught such a huge number of fish that their nets began to tear. Simon Peter quickly called his partners in the other boat to come and help them. The partners rushed over, and together with Simon Peter, they filled both boats with fish. There were so many fish that the boats became very heavy and almost started to sink. Everyone was shocked and amazed at what had just happened. Seeing this miracle, Simon Peter realized that Jesus was not an ordinary man. He felt a deep sense of awe and fell before Jesus. But Jesus looked at Simon Peter with kindness and said, "Do not be afraid. From now on, you will catch people," meaning he would bring people closer to God.